Good day everyone. Our topic is avoiding frustration when helping customer who call multiple times with the same issue. We are Group 10. Our member is Regine De Jesus, Adrian Ramirez, and me, Jason De La Rosa. Table of Contents. Introduction, understanding the root cause, strategy to handle repeat calls, proactive communication. Introduction. When a customer calls back about the same issue, it's not just a minor inconvenience. It can put pressure on our workflow, increase costs, and more importantly, damage the customer relationship. But there is the good news. With the right approach, we can turn this challenge into an opportunity to build trust and loyalty. Why do customer call back? First, misunderstanding. Sometimes customers don't fully grasp the solution we provided, or perhaps the explanation wasn't clear enough. Second, emotional factors. A customer may a customer a customer may still feel frustrated, or they may not trust that the issue is truly resolved when emotion clouds the experience. Logic takes all backseat. Third, poor communication of next steps. If customer don't know what's supposed to be happen next or when, they're likely to call for an update. And last, inadequate resolution. If the root cause isn't it fully addressed the first time, we shouldn't be surprised when they call again.
Ways to reduce repeat calls. Now let's look some ways to reduce repeat calls, which is a major challenge in customer service. Repeat calls often mean unresolved issues, and that leads to customer frustration. Here are three effective strategies. Implement skill-based call routing. This means directing calls to the right agent based on their expertise. When calls are properly matched with skills agents, issues are solved faster and more accurately. Create a single source of knowledge. Having one centralized knowledge base helps agents find the correct and updated information quickly. This allows them to answer questions more effectively and avoid giving customers incomplete or wrong answer. Build a comprehensive self-service directory by offering a well-structured self-service portal. Customer can solve many issues themselves with just a few clicks, saving both their time and company resources. Proactive communication. Building trust through communication. Next, let's talk about proactive communication and how it helps build trust with customers. 1. Follow up with calls or emails. Regular updates show the customers that their concern hasn't been forgotten. This builds confidence in your service. 2. Assign a dedicated contact for more complex cases. It's helpful to have one point of contact. This reduces confusion and makes the customer feels more supported. 3. Set realistic and clear resolution timelines. Always let the customer know how long it will take to resolve their issues, and make sure that timeline is realistic. Being transparent builds trust and set proper expectations.
Tools for efficiency. So, in a fast-paced call center environment, use the right tools can significantly boost our efficiency and service quality. So, number one, CRM software. This is a customer relationship management software is essential for centralizing all customer interactions. So, it allows us to track previous conversations, issues, preferences, and follow-ups all in one place. So this means we don't have to ask the customer to repeat themselves, and we can provide faster, more and personalized services. Second, scripting and recording. Call scripts help agents stay consistent, professional, and on point, especially when handling customer complex issues or new situations. Call recording is valuable for quality assurance and training. It allows supervisors to review calls, give feedback, and ensures that the team is following best practice. Uh, Third, desktop, soft phone, and mobile app. These tools give agents flexibility. A soft phone installed on a desktop allows call to be made and received over the internet, while mobile apps support remote work and quick access when on the go. Both tools ensures agents stay connected and can support customer from virtually anywhere. So, by integrating these tools into our daily workflow, we reduce handling time, improve accuracy, and better overall experience for both agents and customers. So, next conclusions. Uh, it's about repeat calls may seem like a challenge, but they are a chance to build trust and loyalty by using empathy, clear communication, and the right tools. We can resolve issues effectively and leave a positive impression. This is not only improves the customer experience but also supports our agents, creating a stronger and more efficient call center.